my good fam? Welcome back to your girl's channel. It's your good sis Crystal, aka CurlieCrys, and y'all, today's video we are getting into some heatless curls. Not using flexi rods, perm rods, none of that kind of stuff, but instead we are using socks. Okay, we are using literal socks for these curls. So clearly I'm doing sock curls, which are going to be heatless on this stretched hair. Before I go ahead and get into the details, if you are new to your girl's channel, make sure you do one thing and one thing only, okay? And that is to smash that button down below. Smash that button down below. Hey, like you mean it, and join the CurlieCrys fam. So guys, my hair is just straight right now, and honestly, we tired of the straight look, right? Like, we want something new to this hair, and it's also getting kind of frizzy, so it's the perfect time to switch it on up. So that's why I want to do the sock curls. So I'm not going to waste any time. I'm going to go ahead and get right into how I'm going to be doing these curls. So I watched a few tutorials on these on this style, and apparently it is like pretty simple to do. Like, it doesn't take a lot out of you or anything. And this is my first time doing this, y'all, so I have absolutely no idea how this is going to turn out. Like, it could come out a hot mess or it could come out real cute. It's either two options, okay? So the way that it's supposed to work is you split your hair into 4 sections or 6 sections, depending on how thick your hair is. And then you're going to brush it. Now, the product I'm going to use is the Ethiopia Hydrate and Twist Butter by Chemet Biologics. I wanted to use a butter versus a styler because I'm very skeptical that I don't want my hair to revert, basically, and so many stylers are water-based. So I was like, let me go ahead and use a butter which is not water-based in hopes that it does not revert my hair at all. So I'm using literally the smallest amount of this butter, and I just want to do this to give it some hold, hopefully, because this butter is really, really good for styling and it does a really good job on the hair. But hopefully it don't make it too stiff. Oh Lord. That's not flakes, by the way. I just didn't rub it in enough, but it'll saturate in my hair, no worries. Now, if you do have thicker hair, you would want to do more sections. I'm going to do this part right here in 1 section and maybe 2 sections in the back. But the thicker the hair, the more sections you do want to do, just to make sure you get a nice result. So I literally stole Nick's socks, y'all. So he gonna watch this tutorial and be like, are those my socks? And I'm like, I don't know. Why you asking me? So you're supposed to put it right here and then clip this to secure it. So I have a clip and I'm gonna secure it on top of my head like that. Okay. Y'all, look how crazy I look. And then I'm going to take a little bit of hair. Well, I'll just take this front part. And then I'm going to wrap it around the sock. Like this. And then when I get over here, I'm going to take some more of this hair, combine it, and then wrap it again around. And I'm pulling it really, really tight onto the sock. Then take some more hair, combine it with that section, wrap it around. I'm gonna zoom in so you guys can really see what I'm doing. Okay, so this may be better. And then take some more hair so you guys can see, like, I'm pulling the hair and I'm gonna join it with the rest of the hair. Okay, then I'm gonna just take the last piece and continue. Wrap it around. And then continue to wrap around. I wonder if I spaced that out enough. I hope so. And then continue to wrap on around the bottom of the sock. And I'm literally pulling it like very, very tight. Like this. And then it says to just hold it and then like put this in here and push it on up. But I kind of want to secure the bottom of this with a rubber band or like with a little scrunchie. So that's what I'm gonna do, just to make sure it does not unravel while it's in the sock, just to be safe. I'm just securing the bottom of this with the scrunchie. So I did it like that. And now I'm going to put my hand in the bottom of the sock. I'm going to grab right here and then pull this up like this. Y'all did it! And then I could take this out. Y'all, I did it! I did it! I'm so shocked because I was really like, am I gonna be able to do this? Like, I hope I don't mess this up. Like, this just looks a little bit too hard. Y'all, I actually did it. Wow, I'm proud of myself. So I'm gonna split this back section in half and do 2 of them. And that way we'll make sure that the definition is present. Detangle, you know, detangle. And then get some of the butter again. Just a little, wait, I'll get a little bit more. Just a little bit. Like, I'm not doing a lot of this butter, all right? And then apply it to this section. Brush it through one more time. Apply the sock right here. And I'm gonna take this, secure it. All right, and then start wrapping around tightly. And then pull hair from the under part, add it to the part that's already been wrapped, keep it tight, then pull some more hair, add it. Ooh, did I pull the sock off? Girl, I didn't pull the whole sock off. Wow. All right, let's try this again. All right, so pull from the bottom, add the hair to the sock, then keep going, pull from the bottom to the sock, wrap around, and then pull from the bottom once again, wrap it on, add it to the sock, and then I'm gonna take this bottom piece and add it to the sock. And then you just want to keep going around. Y'all, I can't believe this. This is actually pretty cool. I hope this comes out right. Keep going around, keep going around. Keep going around. And then bam. And now I'm going to secure the bottom part with a scrunchie. And apparently, like, this is really, really big on TikTok. I haven't seen it on TikTok, but I can most definitely believe that it's pretty big on TikTok. And this looks like a TikTok trend for sure. And then put your hand in here, grab this bottom part, and then go on up. This is my favorite part right here. Bam. Ha! So, one side is done, as you guys can see. This was so quick, y'all. This took me like 10 minutes to do. Like, if this comes out cute, I'm gonna like this a lot. Like, also let me know in the comments if y'all want me to do this on my natural hair. So I'm finished the sock curls, and you can tell the difference between the socks I use. These over here are Jordan, and these 2 are Nike, and they're like smaller. But this is the final look. I did 6 of them total. So 5, 6. Y'all, I'm so excited to see how this turns out. Like, I'm pretty excited. I feel like it's gonna have like some really, really good definition. So I'm gonna let this sit for about maybe like 10-ish hours, something like that. Take it out in the morning, so maybe even more than 10 hours, maybe like 12 hours, just so that it can really set in place. And we're gonna see what it's looking like tomorrow. So I'm gonna come back. It's the next day, and I'm ready to take these down. It has been a little bit over 12 hours maybe. I also slept in them overnight, and it did not bother me at all. I just slept with the bonnet on, and it did really, really good. So here we are. Let's get to taking down, y'all. So I'm gonna start in the front. I'm gonna take this rubber band off of the bottom. Y'all, look at that curl. Okay. I probably shouldn't have pulled it out like that. Maybe I'll do it differently for the next one. Okay. All right, let's do this one a different way. But then again, I don't know how differently I can do it. Maybe start from the bottom. Okay, here we go. Y'all, it literally made a curl. Look at that. That is so cute. So I'm taking the scrunchie off from the bottom, and then I'm going to take the bottom piece and unravel like this. On up. And then I get the separate curls. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be really cute when I fluff it out with my fingers, I can already tell. Y'all, look at these curls. Wow. They look so good, like a nice wave, bounce type of vibe. I am loving this. So the next thing I'm gonna do is run my fingers through it and just comb it out a little bit. I'm not gonna use a brush because I do really want to keep the waves. But if you do want like less of the wavy look, most definitely you can use a brush to get more of a less defined look. But I really do want to keep all this definition. So I'm just combing it out with my fingers, run it on through. And y'all, this was such a cute and easy heatless way to get these results. What? Talking about sock curls. I use socks, y'all, and it also did not dry it out, although the socks are cotton. Like, it didn't dry it out at all. Look, do y'all see these results? Oh my gosh, this is beautiful.
Nice.
This is way more effortless and bouncy than even like the previous style that I did on my hair. Like, oh, and look at the curl in the front of my head. Like how it curls to the back like that. Chef's kiss, flawless. This is giving daytime TV, honey. This is giving Fox 8 news anchor. Like, welcome back to Fox 8 News. It's your girl Crystal here. And today, guys, it is sunny with a chance of rain. Sunny with a chance of slay. Y'all, I could not have expected something better. I don't feel like I could have gotten something better. This is giving everything. It's giving bounce, honey. Stiff wear. Please let me know. Stiff wear, okay? This is giving bounce, giving cover girl, giving Vogue. Real hair edition. Like, the fact that this is my hair as well, like, what can't natural hair do? Someone tell me, what can't natural hair do? Body wave. It's giving body. It's giving ocean. It's giving sea. Okay? This is giving everything that we needed it to give. What can natural hair do? I thought someone would relax and say something. Okay, you feel me? Honestly, this tutorial was amazing and so quick and easy. I literally did this and like, I put them in 10 minutes, like 10 to 20 minutes, and slept with it overnight, and then 5 minutes later you have a result like this. Like, I have absolutely no complaints. I love how my hair looks. It's so effortless. So yes, okay, so let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you do love this style, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and Drop a comment, and at the end of the comment, put a heart emoji for a chance to be entered into a giveaway. It's gonna be a real good giveaway as well. So I'm gonna pick a few winners, maybe 1, 2, maybe even 3 winners to win something special from your girl. So drop in the comments and put a heart at the end for a special giveaway. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Also, send this tutorial to someone who you know would love to see it, either for the method, for the entertainment, for the results, all that kind of stuff, okay? Also, if you guys want me to do this on my natural hair, let me know in the comments as well. So thank y'all so much for tuning in. It was most definitely a success, and I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Peace.